Hey everybody, long time no see. My name is Emily. This is Emmylou Arts, and stick around with me because today I am going to plan out and decorate my Traveler's Notebook insert, the weekly, for October 15th through the 21st. So come along. Okay, first things first, I am gluing the pages, like the page in between my spreads, like my weekly spreads together, because the pens that I use kind of bleed through and it just makes it a little bit sturdier. And truth be told, it'll make the notebook go a little bit faster, and I'm such a fickle FOMO notebook loser that I like it to go kind of fast because then I can use something else, because that's just what us paper lovers do. We switch it up. So that's what works for me. And I am just, as you can see, still continuing with this beautiful autumnal theme. So this navy paper is just scrapbook paper, and I traced it to fit the size of this standard notebook, Traveler's Notebook insert. So I'm just gluing that on. And I just wanted a background. Last week, I liked last week okay, but I stuck too much stuff in there. I tend to do that because I've got so many stickers that I go hog wild. We tend to know that simpler is better most of the time, but if you've watched my channel for any amount of time, you know that it's very hard for me to stay simplistic. So, I tried my best, my very hardest to do that this week. I wanted to make that pretty floral fall paper sort of the centerpiece. And then I used that sticker from Heidi Swap. It's like that sticker kit, that's got the letters and everything. And I had gotten some cards out from a piece of scrapbook paper. That's what that speech bubble was, but it obviously looked stupid, so I didn't use it. And then this pretty mustardy color, I'm just going to glue that on the top, and I'm going to write October up there. I just like that, like, color blocked sort of look. And I fought my deepest urge to just keep barfing stuff all over it. And then I am using my Flair pen. I got a black Flair pen because, okay, now don't throw a shoe at my head. I've never written with a Flair pen before, I don't think. And I really like it. It could be a new obsession. I'm lying. It is my new obsession. So there we go. It's always something. So October 15th through the 21st. I am so sorry I was MIA last week. It was such a busy week. I don't know, stuff going on with my kids, stuff going on with me. I journaled a lot, well, like a medium amount. I wouldn't go as far as to say a lot, but I didn't film it because, well, I don't know. Sometimes I just don't think you guys would really want to see it. And you'll see it all at the end when I do my little flip through. And I'm almost done with my little homemade A6 little insert. So I will give you a flip of that probably this week. On that little sticker, I'm writing "Don't forget." It's just a list of randomly stuff that I told myself not to forget. Now, what I'm doing is writing in my stuff for the week. I'm using my, what is this? Sakura pen that I got from Amazon. I really like those pens. They do bleed, like, a lot. So, I like writing with them, but just be aware that they will bleed. So I wrote in all my appointments, and then I grabbed my Mildliners, and I'm just highlighting the things that correspond with each person in their designated color, which I'm sort of like a green, I'm the yellow gold. Henry is green, Addie's pink, and Michael is blue, and something that pertains to both the kids, like they get out of school early on Wednesday, is kind of like a tealy green color. So I would highly recommend color coding your planner if you do not already do that. I I think it makes looking at your planner at a glance very easy, very helpful to see who has what going on certain days. So I would stick with that. And as I've said before, in this planner, I usually do not plan horizontal, but these boxes I am enjoying because I am using the far right of the box, or excuse me, the far left part of the box by the date number for stuff that happens in the morning, appointments. The middle is for afternoony type stuff, and then all the way towards the right end of the box by the name, by the day of the week is evening activities, times, appointments, stuff like that. So it still gives me that visual rundown of the week, even though I don't have like the timeline, like I'm kind of used to. So now I'm just taking some packs of Carpe Diem stickers. This is the months pack, and it's the mini version because your girl is obsessed. So I got the mini version too, as well as the big version. And then I also use the Carpe Diem Bloom little mini sticker pack. I love their little sticker packs because they fit perfectly in traveler's notebooks, which are smaller, because most stickers are not made for notebooks and planners this small. But the Carpe Diem ones have got you covered, and I got those at Hobby Lobby, so go grab yourself some. And I just love that little fall tree and the little nut, the little acorn. And I'm just sticking in stickers in between days with, free places and, that aren't full of appointments. I just stick in stickers that I like, that make me happy. And that little fox is the cutest thing. So I am very pleased with how this turned out because I showed some restraint, which is, a new thing in my life. So I'm practicing, and that's it. That's my weekly spread. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make it, so please come back and subscribe. Thanks!